everybody, welcome to day 3 of our 30 days graphic design training. So today we'll be talking about color. So color helps to bring out the beauty of everything in life. It's emotional. Color brings meaning to everything. Color identifies culture. For the company like MTN gives you a project, whatever you are doing, you have to maintain the brand of that company. Do you understand? That is it. Then after that, you have to also think about the cultural aspect, the culture that surrounds the place, that surrounds the project. For instance, if Nigeria gives you a project and the project is a kind of directing to Nigerians in a general aspect. So you know that if you're designing, you have to put a touch of that Africanness because of the culture of the people. And that Africanness, you have to add it. And also a kind of to put the color of our Nigeria. Our color is green and white. So you have to put it and then touch every other color that you need to touch to bring out the beauty of that project. So that when someone sees it, they'll see the uniqueness of it and also can be able to trace that this is an African country that this project is talking about. Before you pick up a color, your consideration is that, is it readable? Can this color, can it attract people? There are some colors that people will be like, I can't read this because it only brings sadness and all that. No, you don't use such colors for your project unless you want your project to fail. Okay, so now I would like us to look at this video very well, to look at the colors, how we choose our color and all that. Okay, so remember what I said, when you want to choose your color, you have to first of all define the project you are trying to design. What actually do you want to make and what kind of color do you want to use? And we have color tools. Okay, we have tools that can help you get colors. Some apps like this app I'm using to show us this is called Canva app. These apps already have their own palettes. Like look at it, already gives you different colors. Okay, any one you want to choose, you want to change it, you can change it to it. That is color. Okay, then you can also go online, go to this color palette generators. You'll be able to generate colors. Then we have color wheel like this. Now this, when we talk about color wheel, this place I'm going to click on now. This color wheel allows you to blend in, to know the relationship between colors. Okay, so you look at this is light gray. I want to mix it. You hold on this icon here and move it. As you're moving it, it changes. Can you see it? It's showing the relationship between this color and that color, this color and that color, so that you can be able to define what actually you want. And most time, if you want gradient color, when you talk about gradient color is a combination of different colors all together, bringing a unique form of beauty to your project. Okay, so it helps you to choose different color. This is the color wheel. Can you see it now? Now, this right up here is for gray. This is the code for gray color. So each color have their own codes. Okay, you have to choose the code you want, color you need, you paste it, and then the app will help you generate that color and give you what you want actually. So that being said, look at the blending of this picture here. Can you see the color? Everything matches. I have to change it back to the main color so that to bring out, the other, this light gray is white, a little bit too light, and you can't see the right of very. So I have to change it back to this blood gray. So this is very important. Color is very, very important. Can you see the beauty of this? It's just the basis of graphic design. When you're choosing your color, define the project and then know what actually you want. Okay. And that being said, see you in the next class. In the next class, we're talking about shapes. See you. Endeavor to comment, like, and share. And if you have any questions, just put it down in the comments. I'll attend to it. Okay. God bless you.